Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel where we put the be you in beautiful. I'm back with another core workout, so let's get snatched. Starting off, we're going to do butterfly kicks. Keep your legs as low to the ground as you can. This is going to engage your lower abs, aka that fupa, and this truly works. Now, I started off only being able to do 12 seconds. Now I can go up to 18 or 20 seconds. Next, we're going to shift gears to leg raises, and I'm going to post a separate video on a step-by-step as to how to do the leg raises. This is a super effective workout for your entire core. So your upper, mid, and lower, you'll definitely feel the burn. Try to do 12 reps, between 12 to 15 reps per set. And you're just going to keep alternating. So after you do your leg raises, switch back to butterfly kicks, then do another set of leg raises. So in total, I did 4 sets of the butterfly kicks and 3 sets of the leg raises, and I'm telling you, the burn was super intense. I felt it for 2 days after this. Jumping back to the butterfly kicks, just a pro tip, be sure to breathe out of your mouth. That builds your endurance because listen, if you're not used to this exercise, it can be overwhelming, but you want to make sure that you're sitting on your tailbone, breathing through your mouth, so that way you have a steady set and you're able to push yourself throughout the workout. I'm definitely feeling the burn right here. I needed to take a slight pause, but do you see the curvature? Do you see the curvature? I'm trying to give y'all the recipe. Make sure you follow this workout. Only 5 minutes. Do this every day. And right here, I'm holding my leg raised for just maximum burnage because your girl's extra, okay? So yeah, hit them leg raises and butterfly kicks. 5 minutes per day. You don't need 30 minutes. You don't need 20 minutes. Listen, this workout is super effective. I'm telling you, I'm still feeling this bad boy. I'll be putting out another circuit, throwing in some Russian twists just to be super extra and super snatched. But again, babies, this workout will not let you down. I need you to try this out and tell me how it went for you. And that is it, babies. A core series will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you're sticking to your fitness goals, eating healthy, and working out at least 4 days out of the week. And I will see you next time. Bye, beautiful.